what's up guys? Today we will be trying to get our first diamonds. Yes, my first diamonds. We're trying to get our first diamond. So now let me show you when I actually spawn in. Okay, we have spawned. Time to run. We need a good village. We need a good village for this, a good blacksmith. Where is it? Where is that? I'll just go there. I think that looks like a blacksmith. Let me take a closer look. Oh, is that a blacksmith, guys? Okay, that's a blacksmith. I thought that was the blacksmith. Okay. Please good loot. Are you kidding me right now? There must be one more. There must be one more, guys. Yeah, okay, guys. There must be one more, like blacksmith for some reason. I think, like I'm not sure. Let me just take some meat for food. So where is the fence gate? Why can't we just jump over the fences?
गाँव चौल जैसा जगह ही नहीं छोड़ा है। तू रहने दे। मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ पतला होने का, आप लोग होने नहीं देंगे। मैं खाल के मतलब उसी। खाल के पानी बड़ा मंगा के पानी बड़ा होगा तो जल। नहीं वाला। तो जल क्या बात? नहीं भी। ये खाली अपने दिन। तभी तो आज हल्का सब्जी बनाई। सही एकदम।
We got some food now. Time to escape. Okay guys, time to get one. Is that? I think that is the same blacksmith. Why am I even testing it? I think that's the. No way am I focusing this method. Yeah, I'm a door. I'm a door now. I can't go through doors. What bad luck. Well, no sort we can actually do this, right? But actually try. Why am I making horn sounds? Ooh, that must be a new one, right? And well, if not, I'm ending the video. Okay, guys, we got our first diamond. Thank you guys for watching.